This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, ma, you can share your screen. Meenakshi, are you there, ma? Yes. Yeah, ma. Yesterday we have created that data DB folder, right? C drive. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. You just start that installation. Next. I accept. Okay. Next. Complete. Next. Complete only. Select that. Complete. Complete. Select that complete, ma. Click on that. Wait for a while. Meenakshi, are you observing this one, ma? Yeah. See here that install MongoDB as service, that option is there, no, ma? You need to select that option. If you select that particular option, yes, that should be selected, because whenever if you start your Windows operating system or your system, that MongoDB will run as a background service. You don't have to start it up again. Is that clear? Yes or no? So only that option need to be selected. Most of the people they will not select that. So only I'm telling you. Okay. Anyway, that is selected. Click next. Next. Wait. Don't click next. See that install MongoDB Compass is there, no more. Please unselect that. Here till MongoDB 3.6, this MongoDB Compass was working fine, ma. What is this MongoDB Compass in the sense? That is an editor. That is database editor where we used to edit the database very easily. From 3.6 onwards, that MongoDB Compass is not working properly. If you select that particular option and if you install MongoDB Compass, what will happen? MongoDB will get installed, later it will get uninstalled more. Is that clear? So only you should not select that option. Remember this. Clear, Nama? Okay. So unselect, click next. Yes, install now. Yes. Okay.
Sir, does it take more time?
No, it won't take more time. Just a second.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now MongoDB will be installed now. Okay, now you just go to command prompt and type Mongo. It should not recognize actually. What happened, ma? Hello, Sushma?
Missing.
Sorry?
It's not recognizing. I
No, I'm not
typed
able
over
to
here.
see your command prompt, ma.
Oh, is it?
Hmm. Okay, now it is opening. Okay, fine. Minimize, ma. Minimize that. Can you reshare your screen, ma? Hello? Are you there, ma? Hello? Are you guys there? Hello? Okay, are you able to see my screen, ma? Hello, both of you. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, she is offline. Okay. That's what. Why suddenly she is not responding? No, it is showing online only, ma. No, no need, ma. No need. Are you able to see my screen? I'll just disconnect. Okay, fine, ma. You can connect it again.
So shall I share the screen now? It's now looking good.
Sushma, you are back?
Screen share.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, you can share now. Yeah. So now what you will do is go to C drive, program files, MongoDB,
MongoDB. server.
I'm not able to see. There is nothing update I'm able to see here.
Oh my god.
I don't know what is happening. Either my side network issue or your side network issue. Okay, ma, fine, ma. Let me start it up. Okay.
My network is good. Now, sir.
Sorry, ma.
Mm,
Are you able to see my screen?
continue. Yeah.
Okay. Same, ma. Actually, your MongoDB will get installed into this particular location. Okay, na? Yes or no? Are you guys with me? Yeah. Copy the path till bin. Copy the path till bin, because your Mongo will be there. Mongo application will be there in this location. So copy the path till bin. Then what you have to do, right click on this PC, advanced system settings. Sushma, are you able to see, ma? Yes or no? Hello. No, maybe some network issue. Why, ma? Are you able to see, ma? Meenakshi?
Just feel it.
Yes. Okay. Let me. Just check it out, ma. Restart and check it out. I think there is a network issue from your side. Yes. Okay. See here, ma. You need to right click on this PC, go to advanced system settings. Under that, you have to click on environment variables. Go to user variables. Where under user variables, you will be having one variable with the name path. Select that, click on edit. Is that clear, ma'am? Yes or no? Then here you just check it out once again. Okay. See, ma'am. Your MongoDB will be installed into this location. C drive program files, MongoDB bin, this location. Okay. Got my point, right? Yeah. Copy the path from here. Then right click on this PC, properties. Got my point, right? Then here advanced system settings, environment variables. Here you will have user variables. Okay, na? You will have user variables. Under that user variables, select the path variable and click on edit. Is that clear? Here you can see so many paths available, where you need to just click on new and add your path. See how I have added. C drive, program files, MongoDB, server 4.2, bin. You just add the path till there. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Once if you add the path and if you click on OK, got my point, right? Click on OK. I'm clicking cancel, but you have to click on OK. The path will be set. Clear, right? Path will be set. Once the path is set, you can execute the command mongo wherever you want, in any drive you want. Is that clear? Okay. Go to command prompt, any drive, not an issue. Type mongo. This gets started. Your MongoDB will get started. Clear, Nama? And you can check it out. MongoDB shell version is different, and MongoDB server version is 4.2. It is running in my machine with the port address 27017. Sorry. Okay. MongoDB version is 4.2.0. Yeah. It is running on the port address 27017. So this particular MongoDB, which is running on this particular port address, we will take the help and we will perform the operations. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. Now, how to perform the operations on MongoDB? What are the queries? All those things we are going to see right now. Okay. First thing, MongoDB is not an organized database now. Remember this. Okay, now it is not an organized database. So first, what I am trying to do over here, let me create a database. Okay. First, if I say show databases, oh sorry, spelling mistake. Yeah. Show databases, it will display list of the databases which I have created already in my MongoDB. Is that clear? Yes or no? Next. Here, I want to create one database where creating the database in MySQL, we have got a query like create database name. But when it comes to MongoDB, we don't have anything like that. Directly use, see, I'm specifying like this. If I specify like this, if a database is there already, it will enter into that particular database. If the database with the name Meena is there, it enters into that particular database. If it is not there, it will create and it will enter into that particular database. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Now, next. Yeah. Now, see, if I say show databases, it won't display that particular database, Meena, because in that particular database, there is no content available. If content is not there, then that particular database will be empty. Is that clear, ma'am? Okay. So we have just created the database as well as we have entered into the database also. Now, next thing what we have to do is we need to create a collection. See, ma'am, there in MySQL we have got a concept of database. Here also we have got a concept of database. There we have got a concept of table. Here we don't have concept of table. Here we have got a concept of collection. Remember, their table will be called as collection here. Their row will be called as document over here. Is that clear, ma? Yes or no? Okay. Their column will be called as field over here. Okay. Like this, we have got a different terminologies designed over here, where with the help of these terminologies, we have to work out. Now you can see, I will create a collection. Collection means table as per our MongoDB terminology. So I'll create one collection. Where is this query? Wait. db dot create collection. It is case sensitive, ma. Write down as it is. Okay, na? Whereas create collection, C capital, where I'm creating a collection whose name is student. Where how many columns I want, how many, what type I want, all those things you don't need to mention. It will just simply create a collection where any type of data can be stored into that. Clear, right? Suppose if I say show databases right now, it will list out the database Meena, because in that Meena database we have got a collection whose name is this one, student. Correct, Nama? Next. Now, how to insert the values into that particular database? I mean, that particular collection I am going to show you right now. Where I have executed these queries already. So if I press up arrow, it is showing me. Now, see. Here I am inserting one particular student details. See, this is data will get inserted as per list and dictionary only. That is in JSON only. This data will get stored in MongoDB. So here I am passing one dictionary. In that dictionary, name is Rakesh, number is 14, salary is 15.34. Clear, Nama? So three fields, one document. That means one document means one row. Three fields means you can say name, number, and salary are the three fields which I am inserting. Clear, right? Yes. Next, you can see right result n inserted. It is showing 1. That means number of records inserted. If the query is successful, it will be showing the result as 1. Clear, right? Okay. Next. Observe one more thing. Next, where is this? Insert. See. Here, what I have did, I am inserting different fields. Correct, no? Previously, it was name, number, salary. Here, I am inserting name, number, fees, and address. Correct, no, ma? It is accepting. Meenakshi. One more thing you didn't observe properly. See here. It is student. Here it is students. By mistake, if you give wrong collection name, what will happen in MongoDB is it will create a collection and it will insert the values into that particular collection. Remember this point. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. Now, at the same time, different types of values also. Let's say different type of values. See, here three fields are there. Here four fields I am inserting. Yes, different types of values also. This will allow, and this is inserting the values. Clear, right? And if you need to insert bulk records also, I mean bulk documents also, you can insert. See, I will pass list of documents. Where is this? You can see I have got a list of dictionaries. This is one dictionary. This is second dictionary available within the list where I am inserting list of dictionaries over here. Clear now? See, n inserted, number of records inserted, it is 2. Like this, if you want to insert multiple records also, you can insert it over here. Can you have the next one? Next, this is what your insert now. Either one record, otherwise multiple records, different types of records. If you want, you can insert it. That is what your insert example is all about. Okay, na? Next, same thing. If you need to view whatever the records which has been inserted, I mean whatever the documents are inserted, if you need to view it, then you can take the help of selection, that is find. Let me show you how that looks. Find. If I say find, you can see 4 documents we have inserted, Noma. The 4 documents you can see over here. For each and every document, whichever you are inserting, one unique ID will get generated. For each and every document, one unique ID will get generated. Where that unique ID is a combination of random values and that particular time, all those things. If you want to update the unique ID to your own values, you can update it now. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. Next. If you want to use find, you can use find directly like this also. db.student.find, you can mention, otherwise find with the curly braces. Next. Here if I say find, how many records are there? That totally 4 records. All the 4 records it is fetching and it is displaying here. Clear, right? Where the displaying, it is not so clear for me. If I want it to display in a proper fashion, you just specify pretty. If I specify pretty, you can see the result in a proper arranged fashion. Clear, Nama? Yeah. No, I don't want. See, this is individual document. This is one document. This is one document. This is one document. Like this, individual document in a proper arranged fashion. If you want to display it in a array fashion, we have got 2 array also over here. Clear, right? See, array means we have got a list. Within that list, we have got a dictionaries, dictionary. Again, array will be opened over here. Okay, na? Yes or no? Okay. Next. ID for every field is auto-generated. Yes, ma'am. For every document, ID will be auto-generated, where if you want, you can modify this. Okay, na? Yes. Next. Suppose if I want only 3 records to be fetched, you can take the help of find limit 3. If I specify only 3 records will be fetched, and that too I don't want first record. In the sense, you can specify skip 1. If If I specify skip 1, it will skip 1 record. Rest of the 3 records it is fetching. No, I don't want to specify limit for fetching, in the sense you can specify something like this. So it will skip 1 record. Rest of how many other records are there, all the records it will fetch and it will display. Is that clear, ma? Are you making a note of this or not? You will make a note later. Okay. Next, yeah. Next thing is, let me show you. Okay. Count. Okay. Count. Here I am fetching the count of the records. How many records are there? That many records I am counting and I am displaying over here. Clear now? Okay. If I need to find the records based on a particular name, see here I am fetching the records from that student whose name is Ram. Okay, now yes or no? Okay. Next. See, here I am fetching the records whose number is GT. $GT stands for greater than more. Whose number is greater than 10. Is that clear? $GT stands for greater than. LT stands for less than. GTE stands for greater than, equal to. Is that clear? LTE stands for less than or equal to. NTE stands for not equal to. Remember this. Okay, na? GT, GTE, LT, LTE, NTE. These are the different types of conditions what you can pass. Clear, right? Okay. Next, if you want to retrieve, see here, I want to find the details of the student whose number is greater than 10, and see, and you have to use like this only, ma. They have designed like this. First condition is this one, and second condition is this one, whose number is greater than 10 and name is Rao. Is that clear, ma? Yeah. Our condition also you have to use like this only. Let me show you. See, our condition whose number is greater than 10 or whose name is Rao. Is that clear? Yes or no, ma? Yes. Like this, whenever if you need to find the records, select the records, you can select it and you can display it over here. Remember this. Next. Okay. Then what else with respect to find? Okay. Okay. Now see here. I want to update a student number. I want to update student last name to Ranga, whose number is 14. See, whose number is 14. You can see here, whose number is 14. I want to update his last name. See him. See this record. There is no last name field only. So what will happen if you execute this query? It will add a field last name and it will set the value to Ranga. Is that clear, ma'am? Whose number is 14, it will add a field last name and it will set the value to Ranga. Here we don't have a concept of alter as well as update separately, where this update command only will work like alter as well as update. If a field is not there, it will add and it will set the value. If a field is there, it will update the value to that. And one more important thing is, if you have multiple records to be updated, only first record will get updated. Remember this. If you want other records to be updated, then we have got other concept that let me show you. See this. Whose number is 14, set title to Mr. multi-true. That means whichever the student number is holding as 14, we have to set the title to Mr. How many records? If it is one record, in the sense multi true is not needed. If you specify multi false also, only one record will get updated. If you specify multi true, multiple records will get updated. Is that clear, ma? Can see? One record match, one record modify. Like this. Remember this point. That is what your insert, update, and find. Now deletion. See, just remove. If I say, it removes everything. Of course, this curly braces are mandatory, remember. But for find, curly braces is mandatory. If you pass or if you won't pass, not an issue. That is optional in find case. But here in remove case, curly braces are mandatory. If I specify now, all the documents whichever are there, all the documents got removed. Is that clear? Any doubt so far? Yes or no? Yeah. Next. Okay. So, and that condition greater than, less than, not equal to, all those things you can specify here also. Okay, now. Next. If you want to drop a particular collection, you can drop the collection in this fashion. Let me show you. You can drop the collection in this fashion. And if you want to drop the database, you can drop the database in this fashion. Clear, Amma? Yes. This is what you say, MongoDB basic admin basic queries, developer queries. Got my point, right? Whereas admin level queries, that is different concepts are there, where we are not worried about that. The queries, basic queries, and how that queries will be used, we have to know with respect to this MongoDB. So we have learned about this. Now, how we can apply this queries in our Python programming is what we are going to see right now. Clear, Nama? Yes. Now let's start up. So for this particular thing, what we need to have is, you need to have PyMongo. PyMongo means you don't need to go download PyMongo folder. Nothing you have to do. Just one sec. Go to command prompt. Type pip install PyMongo. and this will provide you the freedom in executing your Python programs either in command prompt, otherwise in PyCharm also. Is that clear? Yes or no? Now, first, see here. Here, what I'm trying to do, from PyMongo, that means from PyMongo module, I'm importing Mongo client. Is that clear? I'm importing Mongo client, as well as I'm importing pprint module also. Is that clear? Importing PyMongo, Mongo client, as well as pprint. What is the use of pprint? You might ask me. If you go for print noma, that will just print the object as it is. Instead of that, if you want to see the details like pretty, we have used pretty, no? Yes or no, ma? Like a pretty function, how it has displayed the result in a proper arranged fashion. If you want the details in an arranged fashion, you have to take the help of this pprint module. Clear? Next, we are creating client, that means Mongo client object over here. With the Mongo client object, I'm connecting to Lokesh database. Is that clear? I'm connecting to Lokesh database. So that particular database information is available under DB. Next, I have prepared one document whose ID is 1, name is A, profession is software engineer. This particular document I want to insert. See, here I have pointed to Lokesh database. Next, I have prepared a document. Here I am pointing to employees collection. See, within this DB, I am creating one collection, employees, and I am pointing. If suppose if the database and the collection, if it is already existing, directly it will go and point to that. Is that clear now? Yes or no, ma? Yeah. Next, within that particular employee, what you say, collection, I want to insert one document, that is employee document I am inserting. Then whatever I have inserted, you can see emp.find1. I am finding that particular document and I am printing it over here. Check it out. It is not headache like your MySQL. No. There you have to create the collection, you have to, create the database, you need to create the table, everything you have to take care. But here, you don't need to take care. Just if you have MongoDB available in your machine, that's sufficient. See, it has created, inserted, and it has retrieved the values also. Fine, Nama? In this way, in this arranged fashion, if you want the result, you have to take the help of pprint. Can I have the next one? Yes. Second. Now, here what we are doing, we are importing PyMongo. Till here it is same only, no change in that. Okay, now. Next, db.employees. That means within that particular DB, I'm pointing to employees collection. Within that employees collection, I'm finding all the documents. Storing it into EMP variable. Whatever EMP variable is holding, that document by document. First document storing into a printing. Second document printing. Third document printing. Like this, document by document, I'll be fetching and I'll be printing here. Clear now? I think it has got so many documents. Let me check it out. Yeah, so many documents because for previous batches also same programs I have executed, so same document are available. Clear? Yes. So what are we doing over here now? Till here, same. Here I am finding the employees whose ID is 1. With the ID 1, how many our records are there? Among that, first record I am skipping. First record I am skipping. Rest of the records, how many are there? I am fetching all those particular records, storing into EMP variable. From that EMP, I'll retrieve document by document. I'll print the documents over here. Of course, in this example, you might have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I execute this, you'll get only 5 records because one we have skipped, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear, Nama? Hello? Yeah. Now, see here. This is different. Okay. Here, as usual, but here different database I'm pointing. Here I'm pointing to Pallavi DB. If you need to remove everything, you can use db.employees.remove. If you apply remove means everything will get removed. And this remove function is deprecated. In old version, they were using this remove function. Instead of that remove function, currently we are using delete underscore many. Is that clear? Delete underscore many is there, delete underscore 1 is also there. If you want to remove only one record, delete underscore 1 with ID 1, we have to pass it. If you want to remove multiple records based on the ID 1, you can delete it in this fashion. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Let me apply location database only. Employees or employee. 6.py. Like this, you can delete all the documents. If you want, you can go and check the proof also, not an issue. That see, I will show you. Nothing is there. Clear, Nama? Yes or no? Yeah. So what about this? This example is bit important, Ma. The thing is, you can check it out. Sometimes what will happen, MongoDB, while installing, some people what they will do, they will install it with a different port address. Got my point, right? Where if it is installed in different port address, okay, na, and if it is running on different machine, at that time you can take the help of this one, Mongo client with the port address, whatever the port address you want to pass it, and the host address. Let's say if it is there in the same machine, you can specify host address like this. Otherwise, different machine IP address you have to pass it, and port address where MongoDB is running. If it is there in the same if it is there in the same machine, same port address, in the sense you don't need to pass anything, like our previous example. Got my point, right? Okay, with this details, I'm connecting to the database KKR, and you can see here db.employees.update1. I want to update one record whose ID is 1. I want to set their name to testing. Is that clear now? and that too I'm using update 1, so only one document will get updated at a time. Remember this point. If you want multiple documents to be updated, update underscore many is available. Clear? This is for dropping your collection. That employees collection is there, right? That if you want to drop it, you can drop your collection in this fashion. Employees dot drop. Clear? Why port was mentioned? That's what, ma'am. Just I wanted to show you, if suppose if a database is running on different port address and different machine, how to pass that parameters, I wanted to show you. So I have shown you. That's it. Now, if you need to drop your database, you can drop your database in this fashion. Just we are pointing to this particular database, and with that particular DB drop KKR, I'm dropping that particular KKR database. Clear, right? Other than that, nothing else is there in this. Clear, Nama?
So one doubt, in real time, how we will apply this whole thing, how the work will be? Can you show us any example?
How the work will be, ma? I will assign one task, then you will get to know. Okay, na? Hello, Sushma, now you are not speaking. Okay. See, usually I will start assigning a task, ma. The task, actually, I am waiting for next upcoming concepts, because the task needs upcoming concepts. So only I am waiting for that concepts. Let's say if you have designed a database, what do you say? Um, a registration page and login page. Registration page, whenever if any user got registered, all his details need to be stored into one particular database. So this database concepts only will help us. Correct, Nama? Yes or no? Yeah. Where I am waiting for next upcoming concepts, two important concepts are there. One is scheduler, that is threads. Next we have to start up that. After threads, we have got what is this? Tincter. The Tincter will provide you GUI. The scheduler will provide you automation operations. Okay, na? Yes or no? Where for these kind of thing,
One doubt. So
yeah.
the Tinter scheduler are they are all specific to MongoDB, or how, like basically we are going to deal with MongoDB, right?
No, it is not like MongoDB. Generalized way I will start. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
Generalized way I'll start, so that I will explain how the task need to be done.
Okay.
Where you have to design, it is just like a project kind of work only.
Okay.
So that you can start working on that particular thing.
Yeah.
Clear, right? Any other questions, ma? Yes. Okay. So with all these things, how we can develop the project, how we can make use of that particular project is what we will be learning in upcoming scenarios. Okay. Anyway, time is there for that. You have to wait for almost another 1 week, so that you can understand a complete full-fledged about project scenarios, where which will be used, all those things. Clear, right, Noma? Okay. Write down heading thread. Thread. What is meant by thread, ma? Hello? Yeah. Thread is a lightweight process. Right? Thread is a lightweight process which is meant for performing the operations individually to make it available for a huge set of operations. Okay, now? Now, basically, ma, if you go for C, C++, those are all process-based programming languages. Process-based programming languages in the sense, their programming languages, one program is designed for performing one operation only. That is why that is called as process-based programming languages. Is that clear? When it comes to Java, Python, these are all the technologies. These are thread-based. Thread-based in the sense, one program will get splitted into multiple partitions. Each and every partition is called as thread. And each thread can perform one operation. Got my point, right? Yes or no, ma? Hello? Yes. Because of these threads, the performance of the program will get increased automatically. And under these threads, we have got a concept of lifecycle methods. We have got a concept of synchronization, all those things. What are those? How to create those threads? All those things from tomorrow's session, we are going to start it up now. This is what the exact important concept for creating schedulers, how we can delay the schedulers, how we can enable the schedulers, all those things. So you need to concentrate more on this particular threading concepts. For automation also, this is very important. Clear, Nama? Yes. So tomorrow we will start up regarding these concepts.